How to add song to a photo on iPhone. Adding a song to a photo on your iPhone is a fairly simple process. In order to do this, first of all, from the Photos app itself, you cannot do this. So we have to rely on a third-party app. In this case, I'll be using this application called InShot Video Editor, which is a completely free app, by the way. So of course, I can just go ahead and then open up this particular app. Now I can go to this tab called Photos, and I can just allow full access if I want to. Just select a random photo where I'd like to add a music. Now from the bottom you can see various type of options. Since we want to add a music, you want to look for a music sticker in this case. If you don't find a music sticker, this is basically just for choosing a photo. So what we can do is we can come back again, and I'll just discard this. Instead I will select the option called video. And from video, I will select one of the certain photos over here. And once I've turned in a certain photo, now I can add music to this. So over here, you can see various options, and you'll find the tab called audio from the bottom of the editing menu. Tap on this audio tab, and now you can just add any audio given from this app itself, or you can tap on this plus icon to add the audio that is from your device. So you can go to this imported tab, and you will see a list of music downloaded on your iPhone, and you can add audio, and you can also go ahead and then export this video, because now the photo and the music has been added to the photo. Instead of photo, it becomes a video. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.